Remainder Theorem. Good day everyone! Welcome to another episode of HALINA'T MATH-TUTO sa Dasmariñas North National High School TV. By the way, I'm your teacher today, Mr. Giancarlo Sanfuego. In this video, we will state remainder theorem and solve problems involving remainder theorem. But before that, let's have a short recall of the past lesson, which is synthetic division. So aside from the long divisions of polynomials, synthetic division is another way to divide a polynomial by the binomial x minus c, where c is a constant. Now, let's try to recall the process of synthetic division. Evaluate the given using synthetic division. Given the polynomial x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. In dividing polynomials, the very first thing we should do is to write the numerical coefficients in one row. Then, write the test 0 at the left. If you would ask me where 3 came from, we obtain it by equating x minus 3 to 0. Then, adding 3 both sides will help us determine the value of test 0. By cancelling out negative 3 plus 3, x will be equal to 3. Second, carry down the first number, multiply by the test 0, and add to the second column. Now, add down the column, multiply the sum in the second column by the test 0, write the product on the third column, then add. Repeat the steps for the next column until you reach the last column. Now, the third row that we obtained represents the numerical coefficients of the term of the quotient. The rightmost number is the remainder. As you can see, in finding the remainder, when polynomial in x is divided by the binomial x minus c, using synthetic division is quite long. Therefore, I will introduce to you an easier way to find the remainder without using synthetic division. And that is what we call the remainder theorem. Remainder theorem states that if the polynomial p of x is divided by x minus c, then the remainder is p of c. By substituting the value of c of the divisor x minus c in the polynomial p of x, you can test whether a certain polynomial is exactly divisible by another. Now, let's try it with example number 1. Find the remainder of x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. First, let's determine the value of x to be substituted in the polynomial by equating the divisor to 0. Then, adding 3 both sides will help us determine the value of x. Now we have x minus 3 plus 3 equals 0 plus 3. Cancel out negative 3 plus 3. Therefore, x will be equal to 3. Now, substitute 3 for x. That would give us p of 3 equals 3 cubed plus 4 times 3 squared plus 3 times 3 minus 2. Now, simplify to get the remainder. P of 3 will be equal now to 27 plus 4 times 3 squared. 3 squared is equal to 9 plus 3 times 3, which is equal to 9, minus 2. Then, P of 3 equals 27 plus 4 times 9 equals 36 plus 9 minus 2. Therefore, P of 3 is equal to 70. The remainder is 70. Now, let's check if P of 3 is 70 using synthetic division. Again, write down the numerical coefficients in one row. Write the test 0 at the left. Then, bring down the first number. Multiply to the test 0. 1 times 3 is 3. Add down 4 plus 3 equals 7. Multiply to 3. That would give us 21. 3 plus 21 equals 24. 24 times 3 equals 72. Negative 2 plus 72 equals 70. And that is correct. We used two different processes and we get the same answer. Now let's try it with more examples. Find the remainder of 2x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 3. Again, determine the value of x to be substituted in the polynomial by equating the divisor to 0. Then, subtracting 3 on both sides will help us determine the value of x. That would give us x plus 3 minus 3 equals 0 minus 3. By cancelling out negative 3 plus 3, x will be equal to negative 3. Now, substitute negative 3 for x. That would give us p of negative 3 equals 2 times negative 3 cubed plus 4 times negative 3 squared plus 3 times negative 3 minus 2. Then, simplify. P of negative 3 equals 2 times negative 3 cubed is equal to negative 27 plus 4 times negative 3 squared is equal to 9 plus 3 times negative 3 equals negative 9 minus 2. Then, P of negative 3 is now equal to negative 54 from 2 times negative 27 plus 4 times 9 is equal to 36 minus 9 minus 2. Then, simplify. P of negative 3 will be equal to negative 29. And that is the remainder. Now again, let's check using synthetic division. Again, write down the numerical coefficients in one row. Write the test 0 at the left. Bring down the first number. Multiply by negative 3, that would give us negative 6. 4 plus negative 6 is equal to negative 2. Negative 2 times negative 3 equals positive 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9 times negative 3 equals negative 27. Negative 2 plus negative 27 is equal to negative 29. And again, we have the correct remainder. Now, let's have one more example. Find the remainder of x cubed minus 2x squared plus 5x minus 1 if x is equal to 9. Since we already have the value of x, we don't need to equate the divisor to 0. Now, let's proceed in substituting 9 to x. P of 9 is equal to 9 cubed minus 2 times 9 squared plus 5 times 9 minus 1. Simplify, then P of 9 equals 9 cubed is equal to 729 minus 2 times 9 squared is equal to 2 times 81 plus 5 times 9 is equal to 45 minus 1. And then again, P of 9 is equal to 729 minus 2 times 81 is equal to negative 162 plus 45 minus 1. Then simplify, P of 9 is equal to 611. And that is the remainder. Now, again, let's check using synthetic division. Again, write down the numerical coefficients, also the test 0, bring down the first number, multiply by 9, that would give us 9. Negative 2 plus 9, that would give us negative 7. 7 times 9, that would give us 63. 5 plus 63, that would give us 68. 68 times 9, 612. Negative 1 plus 612 equals 611. Again, that is correct. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe in our YouTube channel so you will be updated in our latest uploads in HALINA'T MATH-TUTO sa Dasmariñas North National High School TV. Thank you!